Understanding Operations Management, a comprehensive guide. Operations management, OM, is a crucial aspect of running a business efficiently. It involves the administration of business practices to enhance operational efficiency within an organization. This guide will delve into the definition, importance, functions, and various systems of operations management, providing a detailed overview of its significance in the modern business environment. What is operations management? Operations management refers to the management of processes that transform inputs, materials, labor, and technology, into outputs, goods and services. The main objective of OM is to maximize profit by converting resources in the most efficient manner possible. Professionals in this field strive to balance costs with revenues, aiming for the highest possible net operating profit. Key components of operations management. 1. Resource utilization. Effective OM involves the strategic use of organizational resources, ranging from human capital to machinery and technology. 2. Process overhaul. This includes identifying, designing, and implementing processes that enhance productivity and reduce waste. 3. Inventory management. OM encompasses managing inventory levels, including raw materials and work in process, ensuring that sufficient quantities are available when needed without overstocking. 4. Quality control. Maintaining high-quality standards is central to OM. This involves monitoring production processes and ensuring compliance with quality benchmarks. 5. Logistics and supply chain management, an essential component of OM that oversees the entire life cycle of a product, from procurement of materials to delivery to the customer. Operations and supply chain management. A critical function of operations management is intertwined with supply chain management. Known as Operations and Supply Chain Management, OSCM, this process focuses on the flow of goods and services and the related information through the supply chain. Coordination of business processes. OSCM professionals must understand and synchronize essential processes to enhance operational efficiency. Vendor management. Finding reliable suppliers that provide quality goods at competitive prices is a core responsibility. Meeting customer expectations. Operations management ensures that products are delivered timely and meet quality standards as per customer requirements. What operations managers do? Operations managers play a pivotal role in coordinating the various moving parts of a business. Here's a closer look at their responsibilities. Process development. They create and implement new processes while continually re-evaluating existing ones for improvement. Multifaceted skill set. Successful operations managers possess technical expertise in production methods, organizational skills for maintaining documentation, leadership qualities for team motivation, analytical skills for process optimization, and decision-making abilities under pressure. Quality assurance. They must uphold quality across all aspects of the business, materials, production processes, and final product delivery. Educational background. Typically, operations managers may have a master's in business administration, MBA, with a focus on operations management. This degree provides insight into global industry practices, financial regulations, and helps develop strategic thinking and problem-solving skills necessary for effective operations management. The purpose of operations management. At its core, operations management seeks to control all production and business operations efficiently. Through effective OM practices, an organization can significantly maximize net operating profit by strategically balancing operating costs with revenue generation. Modern systems of operations management. Operations management today employs various methodologies and systems that can fundamentally improve business processes. Key methodologies include 1. Business Process Redesign. BPR focuses on analyzing and redesigning workflow to enhance efficiency dramatically. 2. Reconfigurable Manufacturing Systems. RMS aims to make systems adaptable to changes, thereby maintaining efficiency as production requirements evolve. 3. Six Sigma. a quality management system aimed at reducing defects and improving process quality through statistical analysis. 4. Lean manufacturing prioritizes the elimination of waste, ensuring that all resources are utilized for value creation. Real-world application, operations management in healthcare. One of the most illustrative examples of operations management is found within the healthcare sector. As the industry grapples with rising costs and inefficiencies, OM techniques work to optimize resources and improve patient care. For instance, streamlining administration and patient flow can minimize resource strain and ensure high-quality patient outcomes. Conclusion. In summary, operations management is a fundamental component of any successful business model. It focuses on enhancing productivity through the efficient use of resources, improvement of processes, and ensuring quality control. By understanding and implementing effective operations management strategies, businesses can achieve higher profitability and maintain competitive advantages in ever-changing markets. Whether through education, practical experience, or ongoing professional development, mastering operations management principles is essential for any aspiring or current leader in today's business landscape.